Hello friends, how are you doing? कैसे हैं? In the last video we have learned about the installation of the chiller. In that one we have learned from lifting the chiller from the ground level to the roof level of a building. So in this one we are going to learn about the chiller installation on the roof as per the pre-designated coordinates. The pre-designated coordinates, first of all, we will install the spring isolators or vibration isolators. Later then, on the spring isolators, we will install this chiller. Once we install this chiller, the next step will be connecting the chilled water piping as well as condensed water piping to the chiller.